everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your notifications for a friend's tweet on X. First, open the X app and then go to the profile of the person whose notifications you want to manage next. Tap the bell icon at the top of their profile. If you want to turn on notifications, select the type of notifications you want, like all tweets or only tweets with the live video. If you want to turn off notifications, simply tap the bell again and choose none. And that's it. Managing notification is a great way to make sure you don't miss important updates from your favorite accounts while keeping your feed free from unnecessary alerts. Take some time to customize which friends or accounts you want to get notifications from. It makes your X experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more X tips and tutorials. Stay in control of your notification, keep your feed relevant, and I'll see you guys